Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Nishimoto Elementary School, home of the Hawks. This is my third visit now to their campus and another beautiful day. Getting to speak to all the students, staff, and the parents as well. For the student assemblies, the youth programs, it was on positivity, being our best self, having that positive attitude everywhere in our lives and with everyone in our lives. And you know, it's easy to be positive on days like today. Here in Madera, the sun is shining, Madera, California. But you know, on days when it's not, when it's kind of cloudy or rainy, not the best weather, or maybe something's going on in here in our hearts as well. Sometimes, you know, we focus more on the negative, right, than we do on the positive. And so for this particular presentation, I have this shirt that I wear. It says, "Keep your head up." The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're looking down or feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And this world needs a lot more positivity, right? And so that's what I really tried to instill in the minds and hearts of everyone that we got to interact with today. And you know, we're talking about being kind to our mind. You know, that is part of doing our best, because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. So we don't want to tell something negative, we want to tell something positive, right? Replace some of those negative thoughts and beliefs and doubts with positive ones, right? To step into, you know, this whole new mentality, really. And you start to see how your life becomes more positive, right? And it starts to affect people around us too. And you just, you know, you've been around positive people and they really uplift you. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, the inspirational videos, the positive music, the physical visual aid props, that's how I was able to really kind of impress upon them, you know, the importance of how we start to think. The person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves, and we want to be telling ourselves something very positive in nature, knowing that the opposite of success is not failure but giving up, right, or quitting. That we keep pushing, we keep persevering, that even, you know, in those times where it's difficult, those are opportunities to make us stronger if we let them. So that was more the focus for the youth side, but for the parents, in the evening time, we talked about leadership and turning our passion into our purpose, right? That already at a young age too, getting our wheels turning about what we're passionate about, what brings us life, that fire in our hearts and in our bellies, you know, our skills, our talents, our abilities, already using those to help others, right? And that becomes our purpose, you know, why we've been here on this planet, on this earth. And thinking about our true legacy, you know, what you want to be remembered for, like someone's helping hands, being that bowling ball type of person, right? With strong character, strong values, strong morals, standing for the acronym here at the home of the Hawks, SOAR. And, you know, really just trying to make that a way of life. You know, it's not just about what are you doing for yourself, but what are you doing for others, right? That it's people first, things second. And we're not just doing things for the trophy, or for the accolades or the awards. We're doing them because it's heavy on our heart and because it's the right thing to do. And I think the students and parents, teachers as well, they really did take that to heart. They really did get the message. There was a lot of those pin drop moments, a lot of them that said what I shared touched their heart, which means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go keep sharing that gift, right, of positivity, of kindness, of leadership throughout your community. So thanks for touching my heart. It's another great day here at Nishimoto. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.